Let's review what you learned in first grade about shapes. There are 2D shapes, or plane shapes. 2D shapes are flat shapes. There are also 3D shapes, or solid figures. 3D shapes are not flat. Shapes have what are called vertices. Vertices are the points where lines meet. 2D shapes have vertices. 3D shapes also have vertices. If you notice, spheres and circles do not have vertices because they don't have lines. Shapes also have edges. Edges are the lines that make up the shape. Two D shapes have edges. 3D shapes also have edges. Again, you'll notice circles and spheres do not have edges either because they're not made up of lines. Shapes also have faces. Faces are the big flat part that make up the shape. 2D shapes have faces, and 3D shapes have faces. Circles and spheres do have faces. Let's talk about equal shares. We know that equal means the same. Equal shares are when a shape is separated into equal size pieces. Shapes can have halves or two equal shares, two pieces the same size. Shapes can also be cut into fourths or four equal shares or equal pieces. If the pieces are not the same size, then they are not equal shares.